Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Etsy affiliate links for US creators. Easy tutorial step. To enable Etsy affiliate links for US creators, begin by visiting the Etsy affiliates website. Sign into your Etsy account or create a new one if you don't have an existing account. Once logged in, navigate to the Join Now button on the Etsy affiliates homepage. Fill out the application form with your personal and website details. Make sure to provide accurate information about your online platforms. After submitting your application, wait for approval from the Etsy affiliates team. Once approved, log in to your affiliates dashboard. Look for the Get Links section on your dashboard. Select the product or shop you want to promote. Click on the desired item to generate your unique affiliate link. Copy the affiliate link provided. You can now share this link on your blog, social media, or other platforms. To track your performance, return to your affiliates dashboard regularly. Monitor your clicks and earnings to see how your links are performing. Familiarize yourself with Etsy's policies on affiliate marketing to ensure compliance. Promote your affiliate links creatively to engage your audience. By following these steps, you can successfully enable and use Etsy affiliate links. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.